Hello everyone. My next activity or my next outdoor activity will be fix this boat. When I bought this property, the old owners, they left a lot of trash over the property, and I am doing my best to take everything out, fix a lot of stuff at the cabin. That cabin there has 75 years old. I'm fixing slow as well. But my next outdoor adventure with the kids will be fix this boat and take to the lake. I have a lake all the way in the back. I'm going to show you pretty soon. And I am going to fix this boat and take to the lake. The first thing that I'm gonna do is gonna be clean the path that leads us to the lake. As you see, a lot of debris in my way that leads me to the lake. I'm gonna have to pick it up, all the organic debris, make a fire, safety fire, and then mower this path over here that take us to the lake down there where you're gonna put the boat.